What's up, flippers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're eyeing Southern California in April 2025, you know that's a hot market. Think San Diego bungalows, Orange County fixers, and Inland Empire steals. Prices are climbing, competition's fierce, and Trump's new tariffs are stirring the pot. But don't sweat it. Today I'm spilling my insider tips to help you snag the best deals and flip for profit in SoCal's sizzling market. Hit that like button if you're ready to cash in, and let's dive in. First tip, know where the gold's buried. Southern California is massive, and not every spot's a flipper's dream. Right now, San Bernardino and Riverside in the Inland Empire are screaming opportunities. Median prices are still under $600, but demand spiking from LA commuters. Then there's East San Diego. Think El Cajon or La Mesa, where older homes are begging for a reno. Avoid the ultra-luxury traps like Newport Beach unless you've got deep pockets. Zoom in on neighborhoods with good bones, solid layouts, just needing cosmetic love. Timing is everything, right? Tip number 2, play the spring 2025 rush smart. April's when sellers list to catch summer movers. But with tariffs jacking up construction costs, lumber's up 25% from Canada, new builds are slowing. That means more buyers are circling existing homes, driving up fixer-upper prices. Your move, strike early like yesterday, or wait for the late spring lull when desperate sellers drop ask. I flipped a Fontana house on the golf course last year by bidding 10% under during a June slowdown. Patience pays. Tip number 3, bring cash or act like you are. Southern California sellers, especially on distressed properties, love speed. Cash offers close fast and beat out finance bids 9 times out of 10. Can't swing all cash? Get pre-approved for a hard money loan. Rates are higher, but you'll flip before the interest kills you. I snagged a Huntington Beach foreclosure because my escrow had docs ready in under 48 hours. This means market speed trumps everything. Tip number 4, don't just stock Zillow. Go off market. The hottest Southern California deals won't hit the MLS. Network with wholesalers. Hit up local real estate meetups in places like our meetup in Irvine, or even door knock in target neighborhoods. Probates, divorces, pre-foreclosures, these are your bread and butter. Pro tip, mailers still work. Send 500 postcards to a zip code and watch the leads come in. Tip number 5, crunch those numbers tight. Tariffs are pushing material costs up. Think $50 more per sheet of drywall from Mexico. So pad your reno budget by 15 to 20%. Focus on high ROI fixtures, kitchens, bathrooms, curb appeal. In Southern California, outdoor living's huge. Add a cheap deck or fire pit. Know your ARV, after repair value, and don't over improve for that comp. Last tip, out hustle everyone. Southern California is crawling with flippers, so you've got to move fast and think sharp. Use tools like PropStream to scout deals, build a crew you trust. Contractors are gold here, and always have an exit plan. Can't flip it? Rent it out. San Diego's rental demand is nuts. The game's tough, but the profit's massive. What's your favorite tip? Or got a deal you're chasing? Drop it in the comments, smash that subscribe button, and ring that bell for more real estate heat. Thanks for watching. Go flip some gold. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video so that other people can get informed. We'll see you on the next one.